It is. Hello? 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 Okay, there it is. And now I can hear my music out of my speaker. Okay, there it is. Okay, let me turn it up just a little teeny bit so I can hear it better. See how that sounds. Slight echo. Slight echo. Okay, I think that's good. I think. Let me know how that sounds. If if you can hear like my speaker playing the music. If you can hear me, all right. Let me know. I really need to get me a better chair. Okay. Whew. Let's put this up here so I can see the chat. Alright. So, yesterday I was working on my portfolio website. This right here. And changed all of this HTML. I changed, this was full of text and I replaced it with images. This is going to be a little grid for all of my portfolio projects. And this is going to be the About Me section that I started and don't know how to finish. This is going to be like a link to my blog, my little dev blog that I'm going to start writing. And I'm also going to have like a MailChimp sign up form right here. Well, not a sign up form, a sign up button for MailChimp, and it's going to like open up into a new tab, and it's going to be the whole sign up form. So people can get alerts from my blog. And the contact page. And all I did right here was change these three, and I added 2 more buttons I want to put here. Let me put this over here so you can see both. Close that. So yeah, today I am going to start changing the CSS of this page. And I didn't actually complete my list. I didn't like go through the whole CSS document because it's a lot to go through. I don't know if you can see this, but it's like it is 1,638 lines of CSS. That is a lot. So phone almost fell. So yeah, there's just a lot going on right here. I have a few things that I'm going to do on the CSS. And first thing I'm going to do is change this font right here because I want to use a different font. So I'm going to go to Google Fonts. variable fonts? No, I haven't. It's a variable font. One type variable fonts allow us to store multiple variations of a font family into a single font file. Monotype ran an experiment by combining 12 input fonts to generate 8 weights across 3. Oh, that's pretty cool. When was this written? Does it tell you when it was written? Nope. Oh, okay. That's interesting. I'm going to bookmark this page for later. I'm going to put this in here. Alright, so what we were doing, I was getting my IBM font. I really like these two fonts. Very cool. IBM Plex Mono and Plex Sans. Those are really cool fonts. And they look really good together. So those are the two fonts I'm going to use for my website. And just put this URL. So copying the whole thing. And I don't like having comments on multiple lines, so I'm going to put this on one line. And this right here, I'm just going to change this to a universal selector because that's a lot. And not going to be using block quotes, so delete that. I don't think I'm not going to use tables either, so delete that. Close this. Let's go back here. Body WebKit text size adjust none. WebKit text size adjust. What does that mean? Controls the text inflation algorithm used on some smartphones and tablets. Oh yeah, I read this yesterday. Forgot. Actually, let me go back and add that comment so that I know next time what it does and why that's here. Mark, I'm not going to be using this. Am I trying to save space from the CSS file? No, I'm just deleting a bunch of, this is a template that I have, and it has like a bunch of stuff that I don't really need in the final product, in the final website, so I'm just deleting all of that stuff that I don't need. And adding stuff that I do need. Basic. I still don't know what this basic. What is this basic thing? body is preloaded. I think that's a JavaScript thing, because I don't see that is preloaded class. Oh, actually, yeah, it is. It is preloaded right there. So what does that actually do? Why is that there? What's the point of that extra work? Good question. I think I'm mainly doing it so I can learn, because I don't 100% know HTML and CSS stuff, so that's why I'm going through and like looking at how this template was built and looking at what everything does, why it's there, trying to understand and dissect it that way. Because I think that's how I learn. I learn by basically copying somebody else's work and then trying to like, what do you call it? When you're working backwards from somebody's finished product. What is that word? Reverse engineer. That's the word I was looking for. Trying to reverse engineer it so I can learn better. Hi Ryan, how are you? Welcome to the stream. I'm working on my portfolio, going through the CSS to reverse engineer it. I'm self-taught, completely self-taught. I was thinking about going to a boot camp, but those are expensive. Don't want to waste the money, so I'm self-taught. Why is that there? I feel like dropping out of uni and being self-taught. Only worth it for medical and law. Hate paying for a professor to click these slides. Yeah, I felt that. I went to college as well for game art and animation, and it was fun, I guess, but I don't really think it was worth it because you could learn so many things online for free just by googling it and watching YouTube videos. So yeah, I really don't think college is worth it from like for the technology space, because a lot of this information is online for free or super cheap. Like you don't have to pay tens of thousands of dollars per year to learn how to be a web developer or whatever. Yeah, like if I was to go back to school and get my degree, it would probably be it would probably be something sciencey related, because I really want to be an astronaut as well. And that's something I could do in like 10-15 years, be an astronaut. So I would go back to school and get like a master's in like astronomy or something like that. Yeah, school is very stressful, which is why I dropped out. I had to come back home. And I was all the way in Arizona, so I was far away from home, and it was so stressful, and I couldn't do it. My mental health is way too important for all that. Mm-hmm. Okay. I'm gonna move all these media queries to the bottom of the CSS file because I like them all in one. Or should I? I don't know. I see the way he's organized things. So I guess basic means this is what the site looks like before everything else is loaded. So I guess it should stay up here because it has to cascade down, because cascading style sheet, that's what that means. It has to like be in a certain order if you want it to look a certain way. I never really got this whole thing of like girls in engineering, like what the fuck, right? Like I was just naturally interested in computers. Like why is that so weird and hard to understand? And I like doing girly stuff as well. Like I like to paint my nails. I like playing makeup and dress up and be cute and stuff. But I like to be a nerd as well. Let me be me. I'm gonna change this because I want it to be a specific color. 86 and 78. Source Sans Pro. Gonna change this to IBM Plex Sans. Was it Sans or Sans Serif? Okay, Sans. Oh yeah, we have a Sans Serif. Okay, forgot how to do CSS for a second. Yep. Yeah, guys are nurses. I had a really nice one. Long time ago. Yeah. Yep. What career are you in? And what exactly are you studying in uni? Oh, computer science. Ooh, Python. I was learning Python for like a hot second, but then I realized that I was doing too much at the same time, and I needed to put that on the back burner. Do I need this? I don't think I need this. Do I need this? Oh wait, actually, let me go here. Because I think this selects. Or maybe is this, if this, I'm not here. Why am I going here? Here's what the text is. I wonder if this is like overwritten by something. The font weight and size. It is. But what? We went over basic building concepts, which made sense by doing some research. Trying to go over the fundamentals. What's the point of uni if grade inflation is a thing? People can do bare minimum and still pass. Yeah, that's another thing about college that I don't really understand. Like, people can just get by with a very low grade and no understanding of like the concept, but they could still pass. It's really weird. They need to be more strict about that. Like, I think a C+ should be passing, not a D. Maybe even a B should be passing. I don't know. Move this up a little bit. This, I think I figured out yesterday that this applies to the, excuse me, that applies to this down here. Yep. This link at the bottom. Huh. No. Let me do that. This applies to the link at the bottom. Oh yeah, when I was in college, I was also seeing the college counselor. She was a really big help. That's good you're taking care of your mental health though. And it's nice to see a lot more people being aware of these things. I don't think I'm gonna have any strong or bold text, but just in case, I'm gonna give those a different color. gonna give it this accent color here. Gonna leave that. Gonna remove all the styling for those header tags because I'm not going to use those. I'm not going to use those. Yes, burnout is actually a disorder now. People, yeah. I saw that article and I was like, yes, finally. Delete that. Going to delete that. Sub and sup. What is that? CSS selectors. Yes, this is very common in the tech industry. Everybody is talking about burnout now. Is this the full? Wait. Sup is a super script? What does that mean? Oh, HTML. Duh. Half character above the normal line. What? Oh, that's what that is. Okay. I've seen that before on other websites, and I was like, how in the world do they do that? Now I know. That's what that is. Do I plan on going back to uni? Not anytime soon. I want to get, I have a solid career as a web developer first, and then I'm going to save up some money and go to college for like a sciencey degree so I can eventually become an astronaut or work for NASA. Because that's been my dream as a little girl. I've always wanted to be an astronaut because space is cool. I would love to go to Mars or even live on the moon. I actually had a dream that these aliens came to Earth and was like choosing random people to just take on a journey around the universe, and they showed us all these different planets with these different life forms, and it was so beautiful. I still remember this dream like very vividly. Like it was freaking amazing. It was like I was in the Star Wars or the Star Trek universe, and it was all these planets, all these different alien looking creatures, and it was just so freaking cool. And then like at the end of the dream, they came back to Earth and gave us the choice of whether we wanted to stay here on Earth, live on this secret moon colony, or like go continue our journey out into the universe and like live on one of those planets. And it was freaking amazing, man. That dream, I still think about that dream like every day. I want that to be a real thing. Yeah. That's another thing why I'm waiting until later on in my life, because I'm very underweight right now, so I'm trying to like gain weight, be healthy, not just physically but also mentally healthy, because you're going to be up in space with the same group of people for for days, and you can't. It's going to be like a small space in space. I mean, space is huge, but like our spaceships are very, very small. So we're going to be in the same group of people doing the same thing, pretty much the same things every day. So I want to make sure that I'm in a good spot, physically and mentally, before I pursue being an astronaut. I'll be able to make websites for Martians. That would be dope. That could be a project idea. I'm gonna write that down as a project idea. Make a website for an alien company or something. And I play The Sims too, so I can make an alien and like have pictures. That'd be great. Okay, so I'm going to delete these because I'm not going to use those in this website. And is it using a horizontal line anywhere? Is that a horizontal line? No, it's not. Is it underlined or something? Oh yeah, it's underlined. It has to be. Is it an underline? Because I didn't see it. Did I miss it? Excuse me. Oh. Where is this line coming from? I'm very confused. Where is this line coming from? Oh yeah, that was a helicopter. I'm not exactly sure how I can like turn down background noise with this mic. Is there a way I could do that with the in OBS or something? What am I doing for my job? I am trying to start my freelance. I'm trying to get my freelance career off the ground. I actually have a client that I'm going to be working for right now. She is a startup based out of DC, and she wants me to build an app and a website for her. I'm working on her WordPress website right now, and I was offered another free 6-month freelancing contract. And I can't really talk about that right now because it's with a pretty big tech company. So, yeah. Basically, what I'm going to be doing in this contract is getting paid to learn. Pretty much. So, I'm very excited about that. Very excited. Can't talk about it though because they have to get the contracts and all that settled first. How much do I make a month? Right now, nothing. Well, not nothing. I have a little, like, $5 coming from Patreon right now. So I'm trying to, like, have at least 2 freelance contracts. I mean, not contracts, but 2 freelancer jobs done per month. And have like some other multiple streams of income like YouTube, Twitch, and Patreon. So that's going to be like my income plan. Because I don't want a job. I hate jobs. I know that sounds wrong or whatever. That sounds like I'm like a lazy person or whatever, but I just don't like working for other people. I'd rather work for myself because I don't like to be micromanaged. And my mental health is very, very, very important to me. And I feel like most work environments are just not, they're too stressful, or they're just not very encouraging for me. So I'm trying to be a freelancer so I can be my own boss. But that takes a lot of discipline, which I've learned over the past 2 years. I'm eating blueberries, by the way. Okay, so I don't know where that thing is, that underline is. So not underline. Yeah, I don't know where these underlines are coming from because they're not horizontal lines, and I don't see where here it's coming from. Where is that underline coming from? I have no idea. Yeah, it does depend on the job. I've actually, since I got back on Twitter, I've actually heard a lot of good stories about some workplaces. So like maybe I'll change my mind about getting a job. But right now, just freelancing. Oh, border bottom. There it is. Found it. Border bottom. So I don't need this horizontal line. So that's up here, 159. Find projects on sites like Freelancer, Upwork. I'm on Upwork. I have to, that's why I'm trying to get my portfolio up so I can like show people what I can do and get clients off Upwork. Maybe Fiverr. I've heard like mixed things about Fiverr. Is there a freelancer website? Just straight freelancer? I know there's Freelancers Union. I go there. But is there just a... Oh! There is. I had no idea. I've seen that logo around and I just didn't... I don't know. I just didn't pay attention to it. I'm going to save this. I'm going to save this to... No, not other. Where am I going to save this? Work, I guess. Job opportunities, yep, right there. Okay, save that. So going back down, where is this? This is, oh, type. Okay, so this is all the font stuff, I guess. I'm gonna change my colors. Do I still? Yep. Okay, I'm gonna leave those as like my accent color. Yeah, good for practice. I really like that gold color. It's nice. I tried looking for internships, but most of them require a degree or to be in college. Well, not most of them, but pretty much all of them require that you have to be in college. And I haven't found any that doesn't require that. So no, I haven't had any internships. Well, I've had one internship like 4 or 5 years ago when I was first started out in IT. Had my first paid internship, and that was it. Line left. Where is that class? Let's search for it. It's nowhere. Align left. Why is it? Why is that there? Why does that class exist? Get out of here. It's taking up space for no reason. The form. Is this for the contact form? Yep. 201 is where that starts. Interesting. Didn't mean to do that. Wait, whoa, what did I do? Did I just copy? Hello? How did I do that? Control, no. Control, no. Oh, control slash. Oh, clone view. Oh, okay. Why? So you can just view your changes? I guess. Or like revert back to the previous version if you make a mistake. That makes sense. Why not? Good question. I mean, good answer. Form last child. Version. What'd that do? Ah, stop. I'm gonna give the form a background color real quick just so I can see. Okay. So, if I disable that, what does that do? Nothing. If I disable this, what does it do? Nothing. Don't do anything. Why is it there? Form fields. Flex. Is it flex? Oh. Okay, so that did something. Do you really? I feel like there's a better way to do that. I don't know. First margin is so the social media buttons are not right under the send. Oh, I see it. Okay. So that's what that does. Oh, okay. I see it. Thanks for pointing that out. Huh? Oh, it's in the wrong button. Between social media buttons and form. But what does this do? I don't see a change with this. I don't see anything changing with that. Hey Ryan and Veritas? Thanks for the follow. Sorry if I butchered your name. That's good. I'm curious, can you hear? I have my speaker over there playing this music. Can you hear it echoing in the mic? Hey, Aaron Law. Thanks for the follow. Hey, how are you? Welcome to the stream. I don't use any frameworks. At least not yet. Alright, you don't hear an echo? Good. Label. Do I have any labels? The only languages I know right now is JavaScript and oh, that was a label. No, JavaScript, a tiny bit of Python, and a tiny bit of PHP because I was learning how to build a WordPress blog and I was kind of tinkering with the PHP for those templates. Do Python better. Python is really cool. I like Python. I'm gonna close my window because these trucks out here. Alright, that's better. All I see is dollar signs. I understand that joke. I feel very good about myself for understanding that. I don't want these to be uppercase. I don't know, what do you think? Should I leave it regular case or have it all uppercase? I think it looks fine either way. I also don't like this. I don't like doing that. Like there's no reason. There's no reason for that. It's just a list of lines. Leave it uppercase. Yeah. Alright, let me remove this background color. Is kind of bright and annoying now, so I'm gonna delete that. Watercolor. And what on earth is this? What does that do? What is this background image? And why is this background image? Oh really? SVG? That's what it looks like? But where is it? I don't see it on this. I don't see it changing anything when I delete it. Because I don't have a select button. I don't have that. Oh, here it is. Yeah, I don't have that option. Oops. I'm gonna delete this. Uh-oh, I broke it. Oh. I don't need this. Text area padding. Okay. Checkbox radio. I don't have that either. Offer. Checkbox. Ah. Huh. Yeah. Checkbox focus label before. I don't think about this. Placeholder. Where is the placeholder? I don't think there is a placeholder on these form inputs. No, there isn't. Yeah, no. Placeholder. What is this? Email. Okay, there it is. That looks right. I'm gonna put like a Hey Cookie Bow. Cookie Bow. How are you? Welcome to the stream. I am working on my portfolio website. Yesterday I streamed me just changing the HTML, and I was looking through the CSS file to see like all the things that I needed to change. So that's what I'm doing today, just changing up the CSS and looking through it and learning, looking up things as I go along the way. Languages. I only know JavaScript, a little bit of Python, and a little bit of PHP. That's all I know right now. I haven't started learning any frameworks or anything. Oh yeah, you just took a break. I am actually about to take a break because I have to use the bathroom. So, I guess I can do that right now. BRB, gonna go use the bathroom. Oh, speaking languages? I only know English, and I'm actually learning Japanese right now. So, I only know like 6 or 7 words. I know Ohio. I know how to count to 7. Ichi, ni, san, go, gon. They skipped over Ichi, ni, san, go. They skipped over 5 for some reason in this app that I'm learning, that I'm using to learn Japanese. So I don't know what 5 is, but I know 6 is Roku and 7 is Nana. So I know those. I know Shiro is white in Japanese. Aki is red, and Ao is blue. That's all I know in Japanese. But I'm using Duolingo to learn Japanese, and it's really fun so far. But anyway, I gotta use the bathroom, so BRB. I'll be back in like 5 minutes. I'm back. And speaking of Japanese, my the Duolingo app just reminded me to practice. So I guess that's what I'm going to do right now. Might as well. If I don't do it now, I probably will forget. How do I just want to pop this out so I can see it. Oh no. I mean, I want to see it, but close this at the same time. But okay, there we go. So this is Duolingo. Well, actually, let me, because I can't see. So this is what the app looks like. Can you see that? So right now I'm on level 1 and I've been practicing for 7 days straight. This will be my 8th day practicing in a row. And I'm on level 3 out of 5 of Hiragana level 1. I mean, Hiragana 1. I guess that's like a chapter or something. So I'm just gonna do that. Oh wait, I'm on lesson 15. I'm on 11. Blah, blah, blah. Can't talk. Can barely speak English. I'm on lesson 14 out of 15 on level 3. I'm going to turn this down a little bit so you can hear it. Ka. That's ka. So it tells you to like match. Tells you to match the characters to the to the saying, to the English, or what do they call it? The English translation of Japanese characters. I think it's called Romanji. I want to say. I think it's Romanji. So it tells you to match the characters to the Romanji. She. U. A. And me. Red. Aka. 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 And then it tells you to translate certain words that they've given you before. Ka. O. A. Yo. She. Yoshi. Blue. Ow. Ow. She. She. Sa. Ka. Ka. 5 in a row, yay. White. Shiro. 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 White. And it also gives you the it says the word and then gives you the hiragana that you've learned so far, and it tells you to translate it. I really love this app. Aka. Red. Owl. Blue. Now I'm level 4 and Hiragana 1. Alright. I. Ni. I. Chi. Ichi. 1. Chi. Ni. I. Ni. 2. I. Ni. Chi. Yo. ん、い、ち、さ、4, 1, 2, gon, I mean, not gon, yon, に、よ、ん、い、さ、3, 1, 2, 3, に、よ、さ、ち、3, 4, 9, 2, よ、な、よ、7, 7, な、よ、ろ、く、6, 6, 6, く、よ、な、ち、7, 7, 6, 6. Yay! Just completed my 8th day streak. Okay, alright. Back to this. And turn the music back up. So far yes, I want to change the background color. I mean, not the background color, but the background image, the icon at the top. I changed the import font, did that. I replaced lines 10 through 20 with the universal selector. I've deleted that. I am not going to put media queries at the bottom of the file because it really doesn't matter. Change the body and put select font. Yep. Did that. Change footer. I did not do that, and I've deleted that. Okay. So, what else have I done? I removed a bunch of other redundant or just things that I didn't use. The best internet thing to learn languages is italki.com. It costs money though. Italki.com. See that? Oh, wait, hold on. Wrong. Wait, I spelled that wrong. What on earth is this? What is this? I found somebody's website by accident. ETAL. There we go. one lessons. Oh, that's cool. Oh, I like that a lot. I'm gonna save this. Yeah, native speakers. I like that a lot. That reminds me of this last time. This one time I was walking through DC, and it was like very early in the morning. I was at work, and there was this Japanese man with a piece of paper and like some Japanese words and English words on opposite sides of the paper, and he kept pointing to me and saying and like trying to say those words in English, and then he was asking me for feedback. He wasn't like talking to me, like he was just pointing and saying the word over and over again, and then I was like, oh, he's trying to learn English, so I was helping him out, and it was really cool. I'm definitely going to save this and do that because I want to learn with a native speaker of Japanese. I'm going to close this as well, and I'm going to put this over here, up, over here. I wouldn't say it's a joke, because I like how Duolingo teaches, they kind of like break it down and like repeat it themselves like over and over again, so that you can like really get it stuck in your head. If that makes any sense. I don't know if that made any sense. This is actually the only app that I've used to learn a language, and I just started it like 8 days ago, and I like it a lot. Yeah, good for the very, very basics, but I didn't get that far to like learn how to put sentences together yet, so I don't know. We'll see. I might change my mind. Box? What is that? Oh, excuse me. Let me commit all my changes first before I move forward. Wait, go back. No. Okay, yes. And then, hurry up. Right, push. And go back. Fast changes. Okay. Alright, so I am going to look for some some icons to replace this icon up here. Find icons. I also need to get see if GitHub and YouTube. No, YouTube and Twitch. I want to see if those. Yes, they do. Which one is going to look better? I think this one is going to look better. Okay, let's go back and find something for right here. I might just use the same thing I used up here. Do I want any of these? Oh, excuse me. Objects, maybe? Digital technograph. What is that? Do they just have like a computer or something? A laptop or like a phone or something? No. Ah, here's a laptop. Microphone. Here's a mobile device, but I don't just want a phone. I want like a phone and like a tablet and like a mobile device. I've seen an icon like that. I have to find it again. There's a TV. That could serve as like a monitor, look alike. That's it? That's all they have? Okay. Hello, Marsad. Marsad. Sorry, I don't know how to pronounce your username. But, welcome to the stream. YouTube. I have to put that in this. I'm going to uncomment that and uncomment that and this and add icon FA just YouTube see how that looks. Oh, wait, that's not. Huh. That's weird. Why does it look like that instead of this? That is very weird. So this is going, do they have one already for Twitch then? Like a different one for Twitch? Is it the same? Yeah, that's the same, but why is the other one different? That's so weird. Why is this different? Let me go back up. Or how about I just go view page source, and then look at this. And how do I? Can I just go? Can I view this somehow? FA YouTube play. What am I doing? It's right here. Oh. Okay, that worked. Wait, no. That's not open. Oh, here it is. Huh. That's weird. Oh, okay. So is there a way I can see like which version of Font Awesome this is somehow? Control click to follow the link. What? Oh, here it is. Oh. Font Awesome version 4.7. So what? This is version 5, right? No? Oh, wait. Shift 2. version 5.2, version 5. Oh. So this is version 5. And this is version 4. Oh, okay. Okay, so where icon finder? There it is. Oh, I always do that. And I'm just gonna search responsive, and I'm gonna grab this one. Yeah, me neither. This is the first time I think I'm using Font Awesome. And this is just a template, so I'm not even using this. So, I mean, it's not like I'm actively choosing to use Font Awesome. I usually get all my icons from here because it's free. And you can edit them. Name it responsive icon. This icon right here, comment that out and do this is images and responsive outline. And I gotta change the size of it. $10.51. Why is it all the way down there? it to match the circle that it's in. Also change. I'm just gonna change all of these. I'm gonna flex it. Yeah. Alright. That size good. That size is good. Alright. Delete that. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna change that color. Or should I? Yeah, let me go back to it. I'm gonna create two other versions of this, a light version and a gold version. Hold on, guys. Somebody trying to get in here. False alarm. It was nothing. Can I download? Okay, yeah, downloaded this already. And now let me just do the gold version. Didn't mean to open it. Okay. And while we're here, just want to change the background icon. I mean, not icon, background image. Where is that? $870. Okay. Oh, here it is. This background is so cool. Yeah, I'm going to change it to light. So this is, I got this image off this website. And it's basically just like a pose that I want to do when I do my a little photo shoot for my portfolio, so I can have some professional looking images to have on here. And this is one of the poses that I want to do. I think I'm gonna blur it. How do you blur? How do you style images with CSS? Text effect. I saw it on here, how to style images. Image overlay, image effects. Is that it? Yep, filters, yep. I want to give it a slight blur. Or do I want to give it a blur? Let's just see how it looks. Just filter. Yeah, just filter. Blur. 2 pixels. Well, 2 pixel blur is good. Let's do 5. Like the example. Oh. X. 5 is a little bit too much. 3. 2. 2 pixel blur is perfect in my opinion. Oh. Filter. Brightness, I can do contrast, grayscale, hue, saturate. What on earth is this? Spell check. Oh. Oh. Insert. Saturate, invert. Okay, so I think 2 pixel blur is fine. Ah! Let me move up a little bit. Oh, I really need to get me a rolling chair, so I don't have to do this. Okay. So I did the background image and the icon at the top. I'm going to change it to the other colors just to see how it looks. The light one looks okay. I don't know about that. I think I'm gonna stick with the light. Also, thanks Aaron Law for the follow. Did I say that earlier? I'm not sure. Thank you. Let's stick with one right now. Ooh, you know what I want to add here? Will that show up? No, it won't. How do you do the character thing for, what do you call it? HTML character codes? Yeah, here it is. And then skip that. See how that? Yeah, I like the way that looks. That looks the same to me. there a reason why those, using those two are better? Is it just because it's shorter or something? So, what is this for? This gradient right here. What is that? Why is there a gradient? I don't get it. I'm gonna change it. Copy. Comment. Oh, okay. Alright. I'll change it then. What happened there? Oh, GT. There we go. What about for the slash? Is there a shorter version of that slash? Oh. Thanks. So this RGB here, I am going to replace that with red. See what happens. Oh. But those RGBs are exactly the same. 19, 21, 25.5, 19, 21, 25.5. So what was the point of that being a gradient? Welcome to hell. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Change that to a better color. Let's do that color. Is that too dark? That might be too dark. Or maybe not. I don't know. Maybe I'll change this RGB to 1C, 1C, 1C. No. It has to be RGB. Okay. I think that is 28, 28. Yep, 28, 28, 28. go. So I'm gonna change the bottom one to like 0.8. That's the no, okay. 0.5. And this is the bottom. Okay, change that to 0.8. Okay, alright. That looks good. Thanks Super Bear 1994 for the follow. I appreciate it. I think that's a milestone on Twitch, hitting 25 followers. Where do I see my achievements at? How do you see your achievements again? Is it in the settings or something? No, this I'm in the settings already. Dashboard. Yeah, here they are. Achievements. Oh, I gotta reach 50 followers. Okay. Halfway there. Okay, so I'll change that. Centered. Yeah, almost there. Thanks, Dimitri, for the follow. Wait, is it? That's not Dimitri. Dimitar. Dimitar. Dimitri. I had a friend in elementary school named Dimitri. That's why I said that. Anything else I want to change? I want to change these backgrounds, these colors for those. Where are those background colors? Here they are. Wait. 28 and 28. 0.5. No. 6. 7. 6. 0.6. Wait, I didn't see where that was. I didn't see where in the CSS that was. Where is it? I just, oh. That is 1303. Thanks, Altimator Owl. Altimator Owl. Oh, I got some interesting usernames. Thanks for the follow. Where's that at? 1303. Oh, past it. Oh yeah, I forgot. Thanks. for reminding me the hotkey to open up DevTools. Replace this and all occurrences with that. There we go. I feel like listening to something else. I feel like listening to Zelda and chill now. There we go.
I'm creating my website. You think you already have a stunning website?
Add.
You're welcome to skip.
I am going to skip. Scoop it. Oh yeah. Normal speed. I really like this album here. This is really cool. It's on Spotify as well, so you can listen to it there. It's just impossible to be in a bad mood while listening to this. It's impossible. It always brings a smile to my face. Has anyone ever played the new Breath of the Wild? I really want to play it. It looks so freaking beautiful. Let me change this to, should I? Yeah. Thirty, 31, 32. What if I change the how much brighter is it gonna look? That doesn't really look like it did much. Oh. Well, kinda did. Is there anything else I want to change? Oh yes, let's do this quick grid here. Where in the CSS does this start? 3D. Is that? I think I'm gonna come back to that after I do this grid here. Where is it? Table. All this table stuff. I don't need this. Where's the portfolio section now? What? Did I change? I don't think I changed it. I think I just changed yep. I didn't change the IDs or classes for this yet. So it should be intro. No results. What do you mean no results? INTRO. Why isn't it giving me any results? I'm confused. Why isn't it? I'm very confused. It should be in here. I'll delete this. There we go. I'm still getting used to keyboard shortcuts. Here's the main. Who's this? Another SVG? Yeah. What is it? What does it do? Where is it? Main article. Hold on. I'm live. Text me.
I just need that bag.
What bag?
That's 113.
Huh? Hold on. Family stuff. Okay. Sorry about that. I forgot to tell my family that I'm streaming so that they can just text me whenever they need something. Okay, so what was I doing? I forgot what I was doing. Oh yeah, I was trying to figure out what this SVG does. And why is it here? I don't think it does anything. Main article. I think these. Oh, these are articles. Oh, the close button. Ah, okay. I don't like how long this URL is. Is there a way I can shorten that? Or just like use something else? What is it? 130? Change all occurrences to 130, 131, 231, and 232. Active before, what does the before do? What does before do? I think single. Why am I signed out? I don't understand why it keeps signing me out. Wow, I have a lot of hearts. What day is it? The 30th? Tomorrow I'm gonna donate all my hearts. What was I looking at? What was I just looking at? Before. So single colon means pseudo or look at CSS CPSU. Pseudo selectors. Yes, single list pseudo. So what does before do? Video lagging? Let me check. Ah! Hit my mic. Oh yeah, there was a lot of lag.